Hello everyone, let's continue with the next set of photos. Here I have one, and this is by the old ruin. And this photo, well, a bit strange here, his face here. Let me zoom in. See this eye here, and the nose, and the mouth. Kind of remind me of some, I don't know, lizard type or something, because of the eye. Well, that's what I think. Over to the next photo. This is also one of those kind of blurry photos, but here you can see at once this huge eye here staring at you. And there's so many creatures in this photo, I don't know where to start, but I will start here. This thing up here. You zoom in. You can see one kind of face here, and another face here. Zoom in a bit more. See? Here's one face. Oh, sorry. Here's one face. The eye, nose, cheeks, and here's the other face. Up here. And here's another face peeking out. And here's another face, a bit longer, elf-like. Eye, nose, here. See them all? And here's wonky hat, elf hat. And let's zoom out for a bit. See them there? Let's take a look at the next ones. And still the same photo, but another part of the photo. Here you can see some other creatures hiding under here. And this long creature here, arms, a nose, eyes. I don't know what that is. Some smaller beings here. And well, there's so many in this photo. Let's continue. There's another little creature. You can see here the head, arm, the legs, and apparently he has his wings up by his head or something. See this tiny little creature here? Here, there's another one. There's another face up here. Let's go to the next photo. Here's another photo, and now I have zoomed in here. See here, there, and this one, pretty good face. See here? The eye, the little nose, and this is the head. She looks a bit grumpy. Here's another face. And here's something, I don't know, bearded. This. So let's go on to the next photo. Here's another photo, and this is also packed with nature spirits, but I thought I'd just going to show you this one with the witch's hat over here. See here, perfect witch's hat. And here's her face, the eye, the nose, and the mouth. Let's zoom in a bit. See? Perfect witch's hat. And the face. Pretty, huh? So, let's go on to the next photo. Here's another photo. A bit blurry and a bit spooky, actually. According to me. And up here you can see something, and also here you can see something. Let's zoom in. This actually looks like some sort of a claw or a hand. See here, all the nails here. 4. And here's something, I don't know. Looks like kind of a face here. Nose, the eye, mouth, and something here, an eye. Someone reaching out. I don't know. I don't think I want to know. And over here I have someone hiding beneath this tree here. It looks like tiny trolls or something, according to me. Lots of them. So there you have it. Over to the next photo. No, wait. I see someone else here. Zoom in here. Can you see her face, or he or she? This is a huge elf, actually. See the forehead here, the nose, the mouth, the eye, the high cheekbones, and the ear. See? Beautiful, beautiful. Really beautiful. I haven't noticed that one before. Well, that was a treat. Over to the next photo. And the last photo. This is the old railroad, and took some photos here, and you can see someone up there. And there was no one there, trust me. Here, you can see this. Looks like actually a naked lady. I don't know, old lady. Here the head, and here the legs. Out of here. Cool. And she came into the picture. See here? So, check out your own photos, and perhaps you missed something or someone. Take care, love and light. Bye bye.